Howdy ho, my lovelies. How you all doing out there? Well, I'm slowly getting back to normal, thank God. Right, today, something different, but similar to the earrings. This is the jig I used for the earrings. It's a small one. And this is the jig I'm going to use for the cowboy hats. And I'll make this out of a quarter. US quarter. So, first of all, you put it in your little jig. This was also made by the same guy, this old man in the States. I've been trying to contact him because I'd like some different ones. So let's go over to Bertha and whack this in there. As this coin's a lot thicker than the earring, so I have to use Big Bertha. "12 hours later." So, you're doing good? I'm doing fantastic. I haven't felt this good since 1932. Right. Let's push this little baby down. That should have done the job. There you go. One cowboy hat. Quarter. This is copper. This is copper clad. So now we need to turn this ball bearing round, and the magnet in this one is really strong. So I need a screwdriver or something to get it out and turn it round. Very professional looking, isn't it? There you go. Clever idea he had of magnetising these so you don't lose the ball bearings. But I'll probably end up losing them. As I'm get it level-ish. Then we put it back in again. And this time, use this little die to put the crease in the hat. We go back over to Big Bertha again. If you're looking for custom rings or anything like that, give us a shout. Okay, okie dokie. This just puts the crease in the hat. You don't want to go crazy with it. Let's have a look. How's it looking? Yeah, that's good. Great little devices, that is. Clever man who made that. There you go. He's got his crease in his hat. You've got the United States of America. So now we need to punch a hole in it. Yeah, I use the same punch as what I did. Line it up. His punches are bloody good. And drilling bloody holes with drills and stuff. Right. This is going to be a bit harder. Oh la la. There you go. Now we need a piece of chain. We go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll do, I think. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I think tomorrow I might try and make a bracelet. And then you get your little split ring. There you go. And cowboy hat keyring. I think these are 15 euros. Yeah, these are 15 euros. I mean, less work, obviously. But there you go, folks. If you're looking for a cowboy hat keyring or some cowboy hat earrings or a ring, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And how are we going to do this? Yeah. And see you tomorrow. Tubby, bye-bye.